琴日國會部長鬧你喎，點諗啊？今朝咧，我一早嚟到裕朗西嘅小販中心，同一班大哥阿姐喺度飲茶啦。咁咧，佢哋又問你，琴日國會部長鬧你喎，點諗啊？
I've repeatedly spoken at length to this House and also rebutted Mr. Leong's allegations in terms of the statistics not being transparent. I want to use perhaps a Cantonese movie anecdote, and I'll translate. It goes like this. 講你又唔聽，聽你又唔明，明你又唔做，做你又做錯，錯你又唔認，認你又唔改，改你又唔服。
咁你講咗等於冇講，講嚟講去三幅被，咁當然我要一問再問啦。新加坡人同我講，佢哋好多就業同埋失業嘅問題喎，咁你俾啲數據我睇下啦。咁部長一直以來都冇供給嗰啲數據，佢俾嗰啲數據咧就係混合埋喺一齊嘅，新加坡人同埋永久居民混合一齊嘅數據。咁我講你可唔可以分開啲數據啊？咁佢一直冇答我。咁一直冇答我咧，佢而家喺度發啷嚟啦。
I've done my best repeatedly to explain to him over and over again, but he still refuses to
Minister
accept.
Tan, you might want to translate for those who don't understand Cantonese.
I think that was the gist of it already. I translated.
咁難怪嘅，部長佢高高在上，邊度會了解到人民個生活困難咧？
你叫我點啊？